technology is both going to act currently as well as in future as an enabler and a disruptor. As an enabler, when it builds up platforms of engagement, of spotting talent, of evaluating people, of people working together as teams on common platforms, and people looking at tracking their projects and tracking the outcome, and then finally driving the outcome. So all these things that I've mentioned, there are tools and technologies and softwares and platforms which are already coming up, which are enabling, and going forward they will become more and more prominent. Each area of business will have a tool or a platform which will be, of course, enabled by technology, where better results can be obtained, be it any function, be it the business, be it HR, be it finance, or be it any other function. That's one role of technology as an enabler which we are seeing. The other role of technology that we are also seeing is a disruptor. It brings down the productivity rather than increase. You look at people who are consumed by their mobile phones throughout the day while they are working. Are they adding value? We don't know. But they are now engaged on so many platforms. Earlier the discussions used to happen, is email good or bad? But email now has become a small part. People go on email, people go on LinkedIn, people go on Facebook, people go on Twitter, people go on Slack, people go on WhatsApp. 6-7 platforms they are tracking throughout their day, opening one after the other. Is it adding value? I think it's more of a disruption rather than adding value. So some aspects of technology where people get sucked into useless conversations and unproductive acts or unproductive activities are the areas where technology is disruptive and acting as a disruptive. So I think the role of the leader is to look at every aspect of technology very critically, and then adapt and bring on board the technologies which are enabler, and look at technologies which are disrupting and keep them away.